Hi, this is Raghee Horner with your 2-minute Forex drill, and today's video is focused on the dollar yen and really the yen in general. Not a lot has been made of the yen recently because there's been so much other news coming out of Europe, but there's still that question about where are the safe haven monies going. Now, no one's talked about safe havens for 3 sessions because take a look at what's been happening in the Dow Industrial Average. It's been moving higher for 3 sessions, but remember, the risk appetite that looks like it's this healthy surge of bullishness really is just a correction, as you can see from this daily chart, of an overall downtrend. In fact, I think that we're going to start running into resistance as we trade up higher into the 34 EMA wave. That's something to keep in mind. So when we go take a look at what's been happening in the dollar yen, there's a line in the sand, and I think that line in the sand clearly has been basically put around 76.70. In fact, if you take a look at today's low, let's take a look here. Today's low is sitting at about, 76.52. Between 76.70, because we have quite a few closes in that area, and 76.50, what we can do is just put 2 support levels right there. And what we'll do is remind ourselves that that seems to be where traders perceive the Bank of Japan as getting an itchy intervention finger. And simply put, I think if we start to close below 76.70 and start to test 76.50 in any meaningful way, we're going to start to see the Bank of Japan start selling yen in an effort to weaken it against the US dollar. Now, there's really no such floor on the euro yen. I just want to mention that as we wrap up, because I don't think the Bank of Japan really sees the downtrend in the euro yen as anything more than euro weakness. Okay, this isn't really this isn't really yen strength, but actually euro weakness. And I'd be remiss if I didn't mention the franc, and that is how it's essentially been taken off the table as a safe haven as long as that peg remains on the Euro Swissy at 120, which we're just clinging to right now.